एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम योर होस्ट सीए राहुल बजाज। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले पर्सनल फाइनेंस की, हाउ टू मास्टर योर मनी। So let's start with the video. So for mastering your money, we should be talking about budget, saving, expense management, assets and liability, and net worth. So let's start with the budget. Budget क्या होता है? Budget is an estimate of your income and expenses that you plan for upcoming period. So it will help you to track your income and expenses and will make sure that you are living within your means. Whatever you are earning, you will work within that. Budgeting is not just for tracking of income and expenses, but it is for taking informed decisions. If you take informed decisions, you will not be a financial stress position. So you will be in financially organized position. Creating budget is very critical. For creating a budget, calculation of your income is critical. So calculation of income means you consider all sorts of income that you are estimating for upcoming period you are going to earn. For mainstream or side hustles or passive incomes, all those you can include. So you have to accumulate all your source of income. Then you have to list down your expenses and you can categorize them into wants, needs and savings. So cash outflow you have to categorize in that. Then you have to set up financial goal, like whether it's paying off debts or going for a vacation or buying your home or something, whatever. So you have to allocate fund, distributing in various category, and you have to ensure that you are keeping some savings for unexpected expenses. So that will give you a room for uncertainty. Then sticking to your budget is critical. So regularly tracking your expenses to see if you are staying within your budget or not. Plenty of apps in market, or you can track in Excel sheet also. Then be realistic. Sometimes we create a very ideal kind of budget which is very restrictive. So we should not create that kind of budget. It should be realistic. So what is going to happen and how you are going to spend your money and how you are going to earn the income, and adjust as needed. So life changes always, so the budget should be. Sometimes your income get reduced or increased. Sometimes certain expenses pop up for 6-8 months or some uncertainties that come in. So you have to adjust your budget and plan for your financial. So what are the benefits of doing budgeting activity? One is financial discipline, where you will be very cautious about your hard-earned money, how you are going to spend it. So you will be saving for the future. You will be prioritizing your expenses, building some urgency fund or buying home, vacation, etc. And you will be reducing your debts. So if you have borrowed money, then you will prioritize your funds for reducing the debts. Budgeting is the journey that will empower you to take control of your finances by understanding your income, tracking your spending, and setting up your goals. Then the next point comes as a saving. So what is the saving? Saving is very critical for financial success. It is like setting up some money for future needs. So having savings will provide you financial safety. It will provide you shield against your uncertainties. Saving will open your doors for opportunities, whether be it higher education, traveling to the world, or starting a new business, etc. etc. So types of saving: emergency fund. So whenever you start with the saving, the first should be emergency fund for medical bills or some job loss or some car repairs. So whenever you start saving, you should be prioritize your saving towards health insurance or life insurance. Then you plan your savings for short-term goals, like buying some gadgets, holidays, shoppings. And then you should plan for long-term goals simultaneously, such as the retirement or you're buying home. Strategies for effective saving. So how to do effective saving? First is automate your saving. So whenever you earn, the money should be automatically transferred to your saving account. Say example, if you are doing some SIP or some kind of FD or recurring deposit, it should be credited. Then pay yourself first. So whenever you earn money, you have to take out the portion of saving first, and then remaining you should use it for your expenses. Then saving challenge. You create some saving challenge for yourself. So create a challenge for yourself, like 52 weeks challenge, where you will be saving say $10 or 10 rupees per week, 500 a year. Magic of compound interest. When we do interest, so what is compound interest? So when you do saving, that will earn some interest, and on that interest also you will earn interest, that is called as compound interest. So magic of compound interest everyone talks about. You can see another YouTube video where the compound interest is explained. So if you start early, their total investment will be smaller, return will be higher, and if you start late, then your return will be lower. So the more time you spend in the saving journey, that will give you a compounding impact on your returns. The next point is expense management. So expense management is where your money is going. You should be conscious about your spending choices, and then you should be effectively managing your spending. And if you free up some fund, that should be redirected towards your dream, paying off debts, or traveling, or retirement. Understand your spending, categorize your spending like in need, want. See here the list of expenses on the left side, and we have categorized in needs, wants, and goal. So needs and wants are subjective based on earning brackets you are, or the spending lifestyle you have, and the financial security you have at your end. Then identify trend, analyze your spending pattern. So wherever there are recurring expenses, try to identify whether it's aligned with your priorities, or else whether you can reduce that expense. Then what are the strategies for effective expense management? So creating budget we have already discussed, and prioritize needs over wants. So you can defer your wants if you are not having enough earnings for your financial goal. Then practice frugal living. So where you will find an option of optimizing your cost, say cooking at home, applying some discount coupon, using some public transport. What are the rewards of expense management? So if you manage your expenses, then you will be having some more money that you can redirect towards debt reduction. If you don't have debt, then it will help you to increase your savings. So that will help you to achieve your financial goal. If you reduce your debt or increase your saving, that will give you financial peace. Then we will discuss about assets and liabilities. So first we have to understand what is asset. Anything that put in money in your pocket is your asset, like investment or properties. Anything that take out your money from your pocket is your debt or obligation. Diving deeper into assets, there are two kind of assets. One is tangible asset, another is financial asset. So tangible assets where you can hold the physical possession of asset like real estate, vehicles, some gold or valuable collective. Financial assets are like bonds, mutual fund, certificate of deposit, stock, cash equivalent, derivatives, etc. So asset can be appreciating asset and depreciating asset. Certain assets like car, computers, etc. are depreciating asset. Over a period, the value will get to reduce. Understanding liability. Liabilities are two kind of liabilities. One is consumer debt like credit card balances and personal loan. Another is mortgage and loan. So whenever you acquire some asset, you take some loan. Building wealth through asset liability management. Grow your assets. This can include investing in stock, real estate, and other income generating avenues. Reduction in liabilities. Prioritize your money, focus on paying high interest debt and reducing unnecessary expense. Then we will talk about net worth. Difference between what you own and what you owe, that is net worth. It is a new financial thermometer indicating whether you are towards wealth building or there is room for improvement. So how we are going to calculate net worth? Net worth is gather your assets, like all assets you are holding less whatever liabilities you are having as on today, that is net worth. So net worth equal to assets minus liabilities, that is net worth. Now how you will interpret net worth? Positive net worth, negative net worth. So what is positive net worth? Where your assets are more than liabilities, that is positive net worth. When your assets are lower than liabilities, then that is negative net worth. So negative net worth is not good sign, and you should think on your expenses and prioritize your financial obligation. So next point is financial goals. So financial goals are more than just aspiration. Whatever, like some people have financial goal of buying 3 BHK property or some resort or some farmhouse, etc. So financial goal will give you direction that will help you to stay focused on what you want. And it also fuels as motivation. So whenever you do spending or whenever you do earning, you stay committed. So setting the financial goals will give you sense of purpose, whether it is saving, vacation, buying house, etc. So types of financial goals: short-term financial goals, mid-term financial goals, and long-term financial goals. So short-term is within 1 year, say paying some personal loan or some credit card or some small vacation, etc. Mid-term is like buying a car, funding education, or some saving for down payment of your house. Long-term goals will have several, which will take several decades, like retirement planning, ownership of house, building a generational wealth. Art of setting effective financial goal. So everyone knows there are smart goals. You have to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Prioritize your goal. So rank your goals based on importance and urgency. So whatever is important and urgent, you allocate your resources accordingly. Break down large goals into smaller ones so that those are manageable steps, and this will take less time to achieve. Strategies for achieving financial goal: budgeting and saving, we have already discussed. Automate saving, we have already discussed. And invest wisely. So we will be discussing this in upcoming video. So if you have liked my video and if you are excited about mastering your financial destiny, hit the bell icon button, subscribe for more valuable insight, and share this video to those who are ready to take control of their financial journey. Thanks for turning in. I will catch you in next video.